Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we've got a real treat for you, man. This is really an investment grade 1971 Chevrolet Chevelle True Super Sport, matching numbers LS5 454 car, factory M22 Rock Crusher 4-speed car. Killer car, man. Car has just underwent a complete frame-off rotisserie restoration. It's all documented through pictures. We have the build sheet for it, and I'm telling you, beautiful car, man. Factory color. It's Nevada silver. It's got the black SS stripes, the black vinyl interior, black vinyl top, and I mean killer. This car is going right in the front window. And we'll put mirrors underneath it. It's oxidized primer floorboards, and I mean, like I say, it's a new 1971 is what it is. Correct Goodyear Polyglass bias ply tires on it. It's got the correct SS wheels. It's got the factory cowl induction hood that's even called for on the build sheet for the car. It's even got the smog pump still on it. Pretty car. And I'll tell you, couple very minor touch-ups, but nice, guys. Let's get that bumper wet. Sorry, guys. Again, operable cowl induction hood. Gorgeous paint, man. Some of the nicest paint I've ever seen laid on a car. Paint is just slick as can be. Soft ray glass. Fit and finish on that is excellent. Dual seam vinyl top. And drives like a brand new one, guys. This is a very high-end restoration. Whoever did this really knows what they're doing. Again, correct wheels, correct tires. Documented pictorial, through the restoration, if I can spit that out. Bunch of pictures on the restoration, completely tore down to the frame, the bare nuts and bolts. Car is just gorgeous on the bottom. Front disc brakes. Again, all matching numbers, LS5, 454, stock 4-barrel, stock intake and exhaust manifolds, power steering, power front disc brakes. Again, it's got the, look at everything's new. This car was just completed. M22 Rock Crusher, Muncie 4-speed manual trans. Again, has the original smog pump still on it. And like I say, the bottom is just as nice as the top, guys. I love the color. It's just a piece of paper or something. It's falling down there. Remote mirror, which is pretty cool. Look how nice that thing is. Door tag. This is the worst thing you can see on the car. A little touch-up mark right there, and that's in the door. Bucket seats, console, SS tilt wheel, factory tach and gauges in there. $79,725. That's the original miles on the car. There's less than 1,000 miles on the car since it was done. AM/FM radio. It's got an aftermarket Pioneer cassette. Clock works. It's got the Muncie shifter with a silver ball. Again, it's got all the correct dual exhaust on it. Factory F41 suspension on it. 12-bolt 331 Positrack rear end. If I remember it, I think they said they put new front fenders on this car. I think the rest of the body panels they said were original. Jack with the correct Goodyear spare. Here's the build sheet for the car. Again, the car's in the Chevelle registry. There's your owner's manual, and then again, here's all the pictures of the resto, documenting everything on the block and trans. Here's a picture of the floors. And again, a bunch more pictures. All spackle coated in the trunk. I'll tell you, the fitment on the car is excellent. And again, look underneath this thing. Rear sway bar, 12-bolt, 331. Nice car. Steering wheel's nice, dash is nice and clean, console's nice. Runs and drives excellent, guys. I got it, Jordy. Functional cowl hood. That's a gorgeous car, man. Tach works. All your gauges are functional. Parking brake does work. That's a wicked bad car right there. Radio works, blower motor works. Gorgeous car, man. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram or our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you can get a notification every time I post a new one of these videos. Well, that's just a great car. Again, the floors are all oxidized primer. Car was done on a rotisserie. A lot of traffic today. People pulling out in front of them. Have a great day, guys.